How to delete an email account in Pegasus Mail. This tutorial assumes you've already launched Pegasus Mail. To delete or remove an email account from Pegasus Mail, first click the Tools tab. Then click Internet Options. Select the Receiving POP3 tab. Select the account we want to delete, then click Remove. Next, select the Sending SMTP tab. Select the SMTP host we want to delete, then click Remove. When finished, click OK. That's all there is to it. Remember that removing an email account here does not delete the account from your hosting account. It simply means you can no longer use the account with Pegasus Mail. You can always reconfigure your email account in Pegasus Mail again, as long as it still exists in your hosting account. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to remove an email account from Pegasus Mail.